The Philips Norelco Shaver 3900 is a versatile rechargeable electric shaver designed for both wet and dry use. It features a pop-up trimmer for precise grooming and detailing. With its ergonomic design in space gray, this shaver ensures a comfortable and close shave. It comes with a charging stand, travel storage pouch, and protective cap, making it a convenient option for grooming at home or on the go. The MANSCAPED The Handyman Compact Face Shaver is a portable grooming tool designed for men, perfect for travel and on-the-go use. It features a USB-C rechargeable battery, making it easy to charge anywhere, and is fully waterproof for versatile use in wet or dry conditions. This cordless electric razor includes dual-action skin-safe technology with a long hair leveler and foil blades, ensuring a smooth and safe shave without irritation. Its compact design makes it a great addition to any groom.
This bikini trimmer for women is designed to provide a painless and smooth shaving experience, perfect for achieving silky skin. Featuring a cordless design, this electric razor is ideal for travel and comes with a replaceable lady facial razor. The trimmer is IPX7 waterproof, allowing for easy cleaning and use in wet conditions. It also includes a ceramic blade for gentle yet effective shaving and comes with a USB charge dock for convenient recharging. The sleek pink design adds a stylish touch. This 2-in-1 electric razor for women offers a versatile grooming experience with a 7D rechargeable rotary shaver suitable for both wet and dry use. Designed for shaving legs, facial hair removal, bikini trimming, and more, this grooming kit is water-resistant, making it perfect for use in the shower. Its gentle hair removal system ensures a smooth finish, while the ergonomic design makes it easy to handle. Ideal for comprehensive grooming needs, this razor is a reliable tool for maintaining soft,